81届威尼斯影展，好莱坞两大男神乔治·克隆尼甲布莱德·彼特为着因合作的电影，嘛来参加这个影展。这嘛是因两个人经过15年才搁做伙合作的新作品。
媒体相机翕袂停，好莱坞两位男神乔治·克隆尼甲布莱德·彼特拢出现伫威尼斯的影展，就是要为因新合作的迄出动作的喜剧《恶龙特工》的首映会徛台。
There are people out there who, if they suspected I knew what he knew and I knew what he knew, they would have us all killed immediately. What?
两个人笑开活动，更加演笑到戏歌。一个看因某，一个看女朋友，长甘蜜甜，互现场的人看甲真心酸。两个人搁专工演出电影内底特工的活动，替电影来宣传。乔治·克隆尼更加是进入媒体区做布莱德·彼特的摄影师。布莱德·彼特嘛赶快进入媒体区，甲大家做伙翕相，互现场的观众足心酸。 首映会红毯真精彩，不过记者会这边输人输阵。
Burn After Reading, I got the extreme pleasure of shooting him in the face, and so we thought maybe we'd try it again 15 years later.
And by the way, he hits me in the face in this one.
记者阁问到有关进前克隆尼投诉《纽约时报》迄篇文章，或者我爱叫拜登，也不过阮需要一个新的候选人。
The person who should be applauded is the president who did the most selfless thing that anybody's done since George Washington.
无所谓，那干那拜登，一个威尼斯影展的主办方。
We were pretty careful to avoid that they could meet in Venice. So Angelina will be here on Thursday, and then she will leave on Friday morning, and Brad will come Friday night or Saturday morning.
主办方用尽心思，就是避免和布莱德·彼特甲乔丽这对旧爱情的小赌，等到和影展走尾去。
Hello， 我是雷亚，想要抢而先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。